We're replacing the bushes in these anti-tramp bars on a Ford Capri. On the actual Capri, the bush hole is not in the centre, so you have to make sure the orientation is correct. Most cars it is in the middle. To make it easier to slide the bushes in to the metal housing, we're just going to lubricate them with some washing up liquid. That'll make it slide in nice and easy. We'll just put a couple of wood supports in there just so it doesn't damage, and we've got it all set up. We just need to wind it in nice and gently. If you keep it nice and square, it should just pop in. Oh, there she starts to go. And if you go all the way then, and then we should be able to just jiggle this back to the next, get the other half in. And there we go. Using the supplied lubricant, we need to now put plenty on this pin and also on the bush where it touches the chassis when we fit it on the car. Okay. So there we are, 2 bushes nicely fitted, ready to go back on the car. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.